Guys, Mom just got Bibbles a Halloween spider because he loves a toy. Oh my goodness. Look at it. Look at him. Mom got him a toy. Can we show the Tiki
It
Talkies?
was on sale.
Oh, good. It was 30% off, Bibbles. Oh, look at him. Oh, so cute. Oh,
$7 I'm lighting on fire instead of 10.
there's a cute little spider. All right. You ready? Steady? He says it has all the ropes I like. I like all the ropes. It is. He does. Oh, Bibble is bit. Don't shred it. Yeah, there he is. I know, I gotta put the phone down because Mom's not got pants on. She's walking by. Don't want the Tiki Talkies to get an eyeful. Oh, there's a Bibble. Oh, Bibbles, watch out, buddy. He knows the camera because he wants his dad to give him the pets. Okay. I'll give you the pets, and then I'll give you the spider. Yeah. Yeah, these are Bibbles. Mom's throwing Dad on the bus again. You get it, Bibbles. You enjoy your toy. Oh, there he is.